okay, I'm here experimenting with sound. Right, the way I'm producing, the way I'm doing with things, I think it's kind of interesting and worth checking out. Now, I love the program Logic. I fell in love with it like a few years ago and learned how to do a lot of interesting things with it by paying attention to it. Now, there's always a debate about working with samples, and I have a kind of a problem with understanding what a sample is, right? Because I'll give you an example. A sample is a sound. But every time I press a note on the keyboard, I'm playing a sample because it's not actually, unless it's like an analog thing where it's being tone generated, it's not there. Every time I do something on my computer, I'm playing a sound, repeating, playing a sound. I'm sampling. I'm basically playing a sample. So it's one sound, one dupe, whatever note, whatever sample, or is it not, or whatever. I haven't figured that shit out. But I mean, it's not like I have a loop or a melody or a line or something that references another song. It's weird. But, so, I do sometimes get inspired by things that I would chop up into a sample. Now, let's say this song here. So from that, I was kind of interested in a lot of things, but I got inspired by, and I thought, okay, that's an interesting line. Turn that into from that line, I was inspired to do something a little bit more, I guess I'd call it, away from that.